Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from writing code to diagnosing diseases. But what happens when AI starts running the financial game? And no, I'm not talking about meme coins or speculative tokens. I'm talking about AI-driven cryptocurrencies that could reshape how money works in a way most people aren't even ready for. Sound bold? Well, it's already happening. Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the top 20 AI crypto coins to watch in January 2025. But before you hit buy, here's something to consider. Most crypto projects out there are smoke and mirrors. They're either meme coins, think Dogecoin and Pepe, or just fundraising tools for projects that fizzle out, scam people, or never really go anywhere. But here's the catch. The rise of AI is changing this narrative. From autonomous AI agents making decisions faster than any human could, to projects like AIOZ Network rewarding contributors with real utility, AI is transforming crypto in ways that could define its future. So why is this such a big deal? AI doesn't just rely on crypto, it thrives in decentralized systems. And with billions of AI agents predicted to dominate blockchain networks, it's time to look at the projects that could lead this shift. Let's break it down. Number 1. Vertical AI. Vertical AI is a fascinating concept, and its potential to redefine businesses is already being recognized by major tech players. Unlike the broad AI systems we see today, vertical AI focuses on specialized applications within specific industries. It's a straightforward idea. Tailor AI models to tackle particular business problems, essentially replacing traditional SaaS pipelines. Think of it as an AI-driven upgrade for processes companies already rely on, but smarter and faster. The Vertical AI project takes this idea and integrates it with decentralized infrastructure. Using no-code AI customization, businesses can create their own specialized AI models without needing a massive technical team. The project runs on decentralized networks, like Akash, to handle storage and computing, making it cost-effective and scalable. This isn't just theory. It's already helping businesses automate tasks, optimize operations, and reduce inefficiencies. Here's the kicker. Vertical AI also taps into the broader crypto space by allowing businesses to tokenize their processes. This opens up possibilities for decentralized funding, profit sharing, and much more. It's a cutting-edge approach that bridges AI innovation and blockchain infrastructure. If the buzz around this project holds up, it could become a pivotal player in AI's next chapter. Keep an eye on this one. It's worth the attention. Number 2. AIOZ Network. AIOZ Network, one of the most promising projects in decentralized infrastructure for AI. AIOZ stands out because it doesn't just make lofty promises. It's actively building a decentralized physical network that supports Web3's AI-driven storage and streaming needs. What does that mean in practice? Think Netflix or YouTube. But instead of centralized servers controlling everything, you have a global network of contributors running nodes to power the system. And yes, they're rewarded in cryptocurrency. Here's how it works. Anyone with a computer can download AIOZ software to become a node. Once you're part of the network, your unused computing resources contribute to tasks like AI model storage or video streaming. The incentive? You earn AIOZ tokens, creating a direct economic link between your contribution and the system's success. It's a win-win. This isn't some abstract concept. It's live and functional, which is a big deal in a sector where many projects struggle to even leave the development phase. But why does AIOZ matter in the context of AI? Simple. AI workloads are data-heavy, and decentralized systems offer a scalable way to handle the sheer volume of storage and processing required. Centralized systems like AWS might dominate today, but they're expensive and prone to bottlenecks. AIOZ flips that model by distributing tasks across a global network, making it more cost-effective and resilient. If we look at AIOZ from an investment perspective, its approach to tokenomics is another reason to take it seriously. Unlike speculative tokens that rely on hype, AIOZ has clear utility. Node operators need it, and demand grows as the network expands. It's the type of project that aligns incentives across the board, whether you're a contributor, a user, or an investor. That said, the project isn't without challenges. Scaling a decentralized infrastructure to compete with giants like YouTube or AWS is no small feat. But AIOZ's ability to integrate AI tools into its ecosystem gives it a competitive edge. As AI adoption grows, so will the need for platforms like AIOZ that can handle decentralized AI model training, storage, and delivery. For those interested in riding the AI crypto wave, AIOZ offers a practical, grounded option. It's not just about chasing hype. It's about betting on infrastructure that underpins the next phase of AI and Web3 innovation. If you're considering exposure to decentralized physical infrastructure, AIOZ is worth a closer look. Number 3. TBot. Let's dive into TBot. TBot, an innovative project connecting Ethereum liquidity with the expanding Bitinsor ecosystem. As a bridge, TBot eliminates the barriers to entry for interacting with Bitinsor, which has traditionally been challenging due to its technical command line interface. With TBot, users can seamlessly swap Ethereum-based tokens like ETH and USDT into Bitinsor's DTAO subnet tokens. This functionality is a game changer, simplifying the process and making the network accessible to a broader audience. What makes TBot especially interesting is its focus on building the first decentralized exchange, DX, dedicated to Bitinsor's ecosystem. Imagine a Uniswap, but specifically tailored for subnet tokens within the Bitinsor network. Not only does it offer trading capabilities, but it also serves as an information hub. Users can explore subnet details, track token performance, and gain insights into the broader Bitinsor landscape, all from one platform. The TBot token plays a central role in this system, functioning as both a utility and governance token. Launched in early 2024, its structured tokenomics, such as liquidity locking and community reserves, demonstrate a thoughtful approach to sustainable growth. For investors, it's available on platforms like Uniswap, giving anyone with Ethereum assets a way to participate. What truly sets TBot apart is its ability to drive liquidity into Bitinsor. The DTAO upgrade has introduced dynamic subnet tokens, and TBot positions itself as the go-to solution for trading and managing these assets. By providing education, user-friendly tools, and a gateway for investment, TBot isn't just simplifying access. It's actively fueling the growth of Bitinsor's decentralized AI economy. If you're tracking projects that bridge infrastructure gaps while pushing adoption forward, this one deserves a closer look. Number 4. TopHat. TopHat, a project that's shaking things up in the AI crypto space. As Solana's first interactive AI agent launchpad, it allows anyone, yes, even your tech-averse grandma, to create their own personalized AI agent. No coding experience? No problem. TopHat simplifies everything, turning what's traditionally a headache-inducing process into something as easy as writing a prompt. The team behind TopHat isn't just aiming for usability, they're taking accessibility to the next level. AI is a complex space, and they've managed to strip away the intimidating layers. With this platform, you're not just launching an agent, you're doing it in a way that feels approachable and, dare I say, fun. And since it's built on Solana, users benefit from low fees and quick transactions, perfect for scaling adoption. One standout feature of TopHat is how it's bridging creativity and practicality. Think beyond basic chatbots. With this launchpad, you can customize agents that fit specific use cases, whether that's automating customer interactions, moderating online communities, or even creating bots for personalized gaming experiences. The possibilities are massive, especially for entrepreneurs looking to bring new ideas to life without a huge budget. What makes this particularly exciting is how TopHat interacts with Solana's ecosystem. Solana's been home to countless innovative projects, but AI has often felt like an underdeveloped corner of the network. TopHat fills that gap with a clear mission and strong use cases. If you're someone who's been curious about AI agents but put off by the steep learning curve, this project is worth keeping on your radar. Number 5. Virtuals Protocol. Virtuals Protocol, a project making serious moves at the intersection of AI and the metaverse. This isn't just another crypto aiming to ride the hype train. Virtuals Protocol is tackling something big, making virtual interactions smarter, seamless, and more immersive. Whether you're building AI-driven gaming environments or looking to monetize AI personas, this protocol is setting the stage for what's next. At its core, Virtual's protocol is the backbone for co-owned, plug-and-play gaming AIs. Think of it as infrastructure for creating AI-powered worlds where human interaction meets digital ingenuity. It's all built on blockchain technology, so you're getting transparency and decentralization baked in. This is a project aiming for the future, not just a quick pump-and-dump narrative. The tech behind Virtual's protocol is worth noting. It uses virtual machines and networking to enable AI creations that are lifelike and, most importantly, customizable. These AI personas aren't just limited to gaming. They can be monetized, opening new revenue streams for developers. Plus, the IEE Distributed Interactive Simulation Protocol makes it scalable for real-time applications. Fancy name, but it basically means it can handle the demands of next-gen virtual environments. On the adoption side, Virtual's protocol is already trading on platforms like BitGet, BingX, and more. That's no small feat. It's a sign this project has traction. And with upcoming features like its Super app and a new AI dApp launch just weeks away, there's no shortage of developments to watch. Whether you're into trading, building, or just curious about where AI and the metaverse are headed, this one's worth keeping on your radar. Number 6. VVu.Fun. VVu.Fun, a platform that has taken the Launchpad concept and mashed it with the chaotic energy of meme culture and the technical depth of AI agents. The goal? Making AI agent creation and ownership as accessible as clicking a few buttons. Built on Solana, VVu.Fun has positioned itself as the place where you can create, customize, and launch AI agents in record time, all while having fun. Here's how it works. Users connect their Solana wallet, fill in a few details like the agent's name and traits, and just like that, an AI agent is born. But it doesn't stop there. Each agent comes with its own token, and VVu.Fun offers customization options that let you fine-tune the agent's behavior and social engagement. This mix of functionality and playfulness is what makes it stand out in the AI agent sector. The VVAIFU token plays a big role too. Every time an agent is created, a portion of VViFu tokens is burned, making it deflationary. This clever tokenomic setup gives it long-term appeal, assuming the platform keeps gaining traction. And considering it's riding two of crypto's hottest trends, AI and meme coins, it's hard to ignore the potential. VViFu.Fun's vibe leans into the meme culture dominating Solana right now. While some see this as a gamble, others view it as strategic positioning. Meme coins thrive on hype and engagement, and VViFu.Fun leans into that with its fun, interactive approach. Combine that with its low market cap compared to giants like Virtual's protocol, and the potential for growth is clear. The bottom line: VViFu.Fun isn't just about creating AI agents, it's about making the process fun, social, and profitable. Whether you're here for the memes, the tech, or the opportunity, this project has something to offer. Keep an eye on it. It might just surprise everyone. Number 7. Swarms. Swarms, a project that's diving headfirst into multi-agent systems with some serious ambition. The basic idea here? It's not about one AI agent doing its thing, it's about a team of agents working together like a squad. These swarms collaborate to tackle shared goals, and the secret sauce is their customizable framework, which lets users dictate how the agents operate and communicate. What makes Swarms pop is its open source architecture. This isn't locked up behind closed doors. It's out there for developers to tweak and build on. The founder, Kai Gomez, is big on keeping it decentralized and accessible. He believes AI agents are destined to revolutionize industries like finance and healthcare, but he's also wary of letting any single entity hold all the cards. His mission is clear: make AI agent tech open and fair. Even though Swarms is still in its early stages, it's already making waves. The project has climbed to a $100 million market cap in no time, and it's got the momentum to go even further. With a solid team and an ambitious vision, Swarms could easily push toward a $1 billion valuation before this cycle wraps up. For anyone watching the AI agent space, this is one project that's worth keeping tabs on. Number 8. Echelon Prime. Echelon Prime, a project that's making moves in the Web3 gaming space. At its foundation, this platform is all about blending blockchain with gaming economies in a way that feels fresh and innovative. The Prime token is at the center of everything. It's more than just an in-game currency. It's a multi-purpose tool for transactions, governance, and even asset tokenization. If you've played Parallel, you've already seen Prime in action as the fuel behind the game's ecosystem. One thing that stands out is how Echelon Prime is creating a framework where players don't just play, they participate. From earning tokens in gameplay to using them for in-game purchases or decision-making, the platform is rethinking how gaming economies can work. And with features like multi-signature transactions, it's clear that security and utility aren't being treated as afterthoughts. The team isn't stopping at just one game. While Parallel is their flagship, the bigger picture involves reshaping how games integrate blockchain tech. The gradual token distribution approach, through airdrops, gameplay rewards, and community incentives, shows that they're playing the long game. This isn't some pump-and-dump scheme. They're building something with staying power. From security tools like hardware wallet integration to their focus on community-driven governance, Echelon Prime is carving out its space in the Web3 gaming narrative. If you're into gaming or blockchain, or both, this is a project you'll want to keep tabs on. It's not just about playing games. It's about shaping the future of gaming economies. Number 9. Zerbo. Zerbo, one of the standout mid-cap projects in the AI agent scene that's been quietly building momentum. What sets Zerbo apart is its focus on combining AI-driven analysis with actionable insights, primarily in the crypto space. It positions itself as a go-to hub for those looking to gain a sharper edge in the market by leveraging AI agents designed for maximum efficiency and intelligence. At its core, Zerbo is all about digesting massive streams of crypto-related data. Think of it as an AI-powered researcher that continuously monitors key opinion leaders, KOLs, trending topics, and emerging projects across social platforms like X and Telegram. The result? Timely data-backed signals that can help users stay ahead of the pack. But don't mistake it for just another analytics tool. Zerbo goes deeper, letting users deploy their own AI agents to curate content, track influencers, and even automate their social media strategies. What makes this project especially compelling is its focus on accessibility. The Zerbo framework supports easy integration, so even non-tech-savvy users can deploy agents with minimal friction. Combine that with their open-source philosophy, and you've got a platform that encourages experimentation and community-driven development. Something rare in this space. On the financial side, Zerbo's tokenomics are worth a mention. While its utility is growing, early adoption incentives like staking and governance participation have created a tight-knit community of believers. Its market cap sits in a sweet spot, giving it room to grow without the risk of being overhyped. If you're into projects that balance innovation with practicality, Zerbo is one to keep on your radar. Whether you're looking to automate your research, level up your content strategy, or just tap into the latest trends, this project feels like it's building for the long haul. Number 10. Nosana. Nosana, the platform that's flipping GPU access on its head. Nosana isn't just another cloud computing service, it's a decentralized hub where AI developers and GPU owners meet to make things happen. At its core, Nosana allows people to rent out their GPUs for AI inference tasks, earning Nos tokens as a reward. Think of it like Airbnb, but for compute power. The genius here lies in the crowd computing model. You've got GPUs sitting idle in gaming rigs or old workstations. Nosana turns them into a passive income stream. Meanwhile, AI developers can access scalable GPU power without bowing to big tech. It's a win-win. And since this all runs on Solana, the transactions are lightning fast and don't burn a hole in anyone's wallet. But what's really cool about Nosana is its accessibility. Most consumer-grade GPUs are supported, meaning this isn't just for data centers or enterprise setups. Even your mid-tier gaming PC can get in on the action. This makes Nosana far more inclusive, lowering barriers for both GPU providers and AI developers who need affordable computing power. Now, about that NOS token, it's the glue that holds everything together. You need it to pay for GPU rentals, stake it for rewards, and even participate in governance votes. So whether you're here to crunch numbers or just cash in on your spare hardware, NOS tokens are your ticket to ride. Nosana's big picture mission is clear: democratize AI development by decentralizing GPU access. And with partnerships like Sogni.ai and a successful mainnet launch under its belt, it's already proving it can deliver. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a GPU owner, or someone who just loves to see big tech get a little competition, Nosana is worth keeping an eye on. Number 11. Griffin. Griffin is one of those mid-cap projects that has caught the AI crypto buzz but hasn't overhyped itself yet. Sitting comfortably at around a $400 million FDV, it's positioned as a mid-tier player with solid infrastructure. But let's be clear, Griffin isn't trying to outshine giants like Virtual's Protocol or AI16Z. Instead, it's carving out its own space in AI-powered decentralized systems, focusing on automating tasks and decision-making at scale. Think of it as the workhorse rather than the show pony in the AI agent race. One of Griffin's standout features is its use of hybrid AI models to create scalable agents for both enterprise and consumer markets. Unlike many projects that just slap AI onto their branding, Griffin actually delivers. Its agents can operate autonomously across decentralized environments, handling tasks like real-time data analysis, communication, and workflow optimization. For businesses looking to dip their toes into blockchain-backed AI without overcommitting to the big names, Griffin offers a practical entry point. Now let's talk tokenomics. The Griffin token isn't just a governance token or a staking tool, it's the backbone of the ecosystem. Whether you're deploying agents, accessing advanced features, or participating in the governance structure, Griffin token plays a central role. But here's the kicker. Griffin's staking model rewards long-term holders with tiered benefits, including discounts on network fees and access to exclusive agent features. This approach keeps token velocity low, while incentivizing commitment, a clever move in a market often ruled by short-term flips. But, and this is a big but, Griffin has a long way to go in terms of adoption. While its tech looks promising on paper, the ecosystem still feels underdeveloped compared to its larger competitors. The hype around its recent Binance listing has brought more eyes to the project, but it's also made Griffin susceptible to post-listing corrections. So if you're thinking of adding this to your portfolio, be prepared for some turbulence. All that said, Griffin is one of those projects you don't want to sleep on, especially if you're exploring mid-cap AI plays. It's not as flashy as some of the bigger names, but its focus on utility and scalable AI solutions could make it a quiet winner in the long run. Keep it on your radar, but as always, do your own research before diving in. Number 12. AIXBT. AIXBT has emerged as a heavyweight in the AI crypto sector, blending sophisticated analytics with market intelligence. Think of it as your sharp, no-nonsense crypto guru who doesn't need a coffee break. The platform centers around its AI-powered terminal, a tool designed to track hot narratives across the crypto ecosystem. With insights pulled from over 400 key opinion leaders, KOLs, on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, it helps traders detect trends, spot alpha, and make informed decisions before the hype reaches its peak. The big draw? It isn't just another glorified aggregator. AIXBT's terminal operates on a level most of us can only dream of, analyzing social sentiment, identifying patterns, and serving up actionable insights. But there's a catch. Access isn't cheap. The platform is token-gated, requiring users to hold at least $600,000 of AIXBT tokens. At current prices, that's a hefty barrier to entry, but it ensures that the tools stay in the hands of serious players. For those who can afford it, the data it provides is often worth the price of admission. Behind the scenes, AIXBT's origin story is just as compelling. Frustrated with the hype-driven antics of crypto influencers, its founder built the platform to automate the alpha discovery process. Fast forward to today, and the project's account on X has amassed nearly 400,000 followers. Its reputation for accuracy, boasting an impressive 80% hit rate on its calls, has cemented its place as one of the most trusted sources of crypto market intel. Of course, AIXBT isn't without its challenges. Its meteoric rise, up 1,000% in just 3 months, has made access to its terminal increasingly expensive. That said, the project's emphasis on transparency, its financial activities are fully open source, offers some peace of mind in a space often criticized for its lack of accountability. And if you're someone who thrives on staying ahead of the curve, AIXBT is worth keeping on your radar. Whether you're ready to fork over the hefty entry fee, or just interested in watching its trajectory, it's hard to ignore the influence this project has within the AI crypto space. Just don't expect it to hold your hand. It's built for those ready to do the work. Number 13, Akash Network. Akash Network is flipping the cloud computing game on its head, creating a decentralized alternative to the giants like AWS and Google Cloud. This project uses blockchain tech to build an open marketplace where computing power is bought and sold without middlemen. The result? More freedom for developers and businesses, plus way lower costs compared to traditional providers. And of course, this all runs on its native token, AKT, which fuels transactions, staking, and governance across the network. One standout feature is how Akash integrates Kubernetes, the go-to system for managing containerized applications. This isn't just for show. It allows developers to deploy and scale their projects faster and more efficiently. Add in infrastructure as code capabilities, and you've got a platform that feels tailor-made for coders who value both speed and control. And let's not forget Akash's commitment to privacy. Developers can deploy applications anonymously, which is a massive win in today's surveillance-heavy digital age. Security-wise, Akash doesn't cut corners. It's built on the Cosmos SDK, which means it's scalable, fast, and interoperable with other blockchains. The delegated proof-of-stake system ensures the network remains decentralized while incentivizing participants to play fair. On top of that, the network leverages auditable smart contracts, so everything is transparent and tamper-proof. And for users, it's a dream. No third-party custody, no hidden agendas, just control over your own resources. What makes Akash even more exciting is its use case variety. Whether you're looking for reliable IP leasing, persistent storage, or censorship-resistant deployments, the platform delivers. Plus, with its recent focus on AI, Akash has started testing a supercloud designed to optimize AI workloads, opening up new possibilities for developers who rely on heavy computational power. If decentralization and affordability are the future of cloud computing, Akash is clearly leading the charge. Number 14, Fartcoin. The name's ridiculous, but that's exactly the point. It thrives on absurdity, and somehow it's working. Fartcoin has managed to blow past a $1 billion market cap, outperforming not just AI meme coins, but even more serious projects in the broader market. Why? It's all about capturing attention, and Fartcoin has nailed that. It's the kind of project you tell your friends about, half jokingly, and before you know it, they're Googling it too. The backstory is just as wild as the name. Fartcoin wasn't created by a team of devs. It was born from an AI agent called the Terminal of Truth. During a chat with another AI agent, they apparently brainstormed what the ultimate meme coin would look like, and voila, Fartcoin came into existence. Some random person stumbled upon this conversation, decided to run with the idea, and launched the token on Pumped.Fun. The rest is history. And honestly, the absurdity of its origin story only fuels its appeal. What really sets Fartcoin apart from the usual meme coins is its clever engagement tactics. The token distribution wasn't your typical airdrop or whitelist. Instead, users had to submit their best jokes or memes to earn allocations. It's a genius move that taps directly into internet culture. Plus, the gas fee system is built around, you guessed it, sound effects, adding another layer of fun and shareability. Fartcoin might seem like a joke, but it's riding the perfect wave of virality. It's been mentioned on everything from CNBC interviews to late-night TV shows, which only adds to its momentum. And while its community is having a laugh, the token's performance is no joke. As with all meme coins, it's a high-risk play, But if past cycles have taught us anything, it's that sometimes the most absurd ideas can outperform the most serious ones. Keep an eye on this one. It's impossible to ignore. Number 15. Phala AI. Phala AI has carved out an intriguing space in the AI-driven crypto sector. Unlike the latest crop of AI agent projects that seem to be riding the hype, Phala AI has been quietly laying the groundwork for years. It started as one of the first platforms to focus on building functional AI bots for crypto users and projects. Back then, people didn't even use the term AI agents. Yet Phala AI was already doing the heavy lifting. It's safe to say they were ahead of the curve, which is why this project is worth a deeper dive. What really stands out about Phala AI is its practicality. It wasn't trying to create over-the-top, buzzword-filled solutions. Instead, it offered AI tools that crypto users and developers actually needed. The platform specializes in bots that provide meaningful services. Think project management, market analytics, and even real-time trading insights. These tools laid the groundwork for the more complex AI agents we see today. So, in a way, Phala AI walked so others could run. Now, as the AI narrative gains momentum, Phala AI seems perfectly positioned to ride this wave. Its bots have grown more sophisticated, with a sharper focus on efficiency and usability. Plus, with the rise of decentralized platforms, Phala AI could be on the brink of becoming a core player in the space. What's really exciting is that they haven't yet fully leaned into the current AI agent hype, leaving plenty of room for future growth. When they do, expect to see them capitalize on their early mover advantage in a big way. From an investment perspective, Phala AI feels like one of those mid-cap projects with solid potential for a 5x or even 10x return. They've got the experience, a working product, and a community of developers who trust their tools. In a market flooded with shiny but unproven AI concepts, that kind of credibility is hard to come by. Keep an eye on this one. It's the kind of project that could quietly outperform the flashier names in the sector. Number 16. Neural AI. Neural AI is one of those projects that feels like it's paving the way for how game developers will create in the future. Forget spending hours, or even days, building a single 3D asset from scratch. With Neural AI, you can simply input a text description or 2D image, and voila, you've got a game-ready 3D model. It's fast, straightforward, and makes creating high-quality assets feel less like a chore and more like fun. What really sets Neural AI apart is how it's leveling the playing field. Indie developers who've traditionally been outgunned by AAA studios can now create assets that look just as polished, and they can do it without breaking the bank. The ability to iterate quickly means creators don't have to settle for good enough anymore. If a model doesn't quite fit their vision, they can tweak it and generate new versions in minutes, not weeks. That's a game changer, literally. And it doesn't stop there. Neural AI's marketplace is like a treasure trove for developers. Not only can you trade 3D assets using the Neural token, but if you're staking, you also share in the revenue from sales. It's a win-win for both creators and token holders. Plus, their push to become a Bit&Source subnet adds an entirely new layer of earning potential for users. Imagine creating assets and earning minor TAO rewards at the same time. It's a sweet deal. With the gaming industry projected to hit $282 billion by next year, the demand for fast, scalable 3D creation tools is skyrocketing. Neural AI is perfectly positioned to ride that wave, offering a solution that's efficient, accessible, and downright exciting. Whether you're an indie dev looking to crank out your next big project, or a collector diving into their marketplace, Neural AI is one project you'll want to keep on your radar. Number 17. Phala Network. Phala Network is one of the more underrated infrastructure projects that is quietly building something essential for Web3. At its core, Phala specializes in privacy-first cloud computing, something that's sorely needed as we continue to see more applications move to decentralized systems. Unlike traditional networks, Phala uses secure enclaves to execute computations while keeping data completely private. This is a big deal, especially for industries that require sensitive information handling. Here's the interesting part. Phala isn't just about privacy, it's also about decentralization at scale. The network employs a unique worker node system powered by CPUs with Trusted Execution Environment (TEE) technology. Think Intel SGX or AMD SEV. These nodes run computations inside isolated environments, meaning even the node operators can't see the data. It's like having a digital vault that even the vault maker can't open. This makes it perfect for handling tasks like encrypted data processing or confidential smart contracts. But Phala doesn't stop at infrastructure. It also has a token, PHA, which fuels the ecosystem. PHA is used to pay for cloud services and rewards those contributing computational power. This ties into Phala's ability to serve AI projects too. With the current surge in AI-driven crypto narratives, privacy-preserving computation could become a crucial foundation for these systems. Imagine AI agents processing sensitive user data without compromising security. That's the kind of use case Phala is aiming for. The project also integrates with Polkadot, functioning as a parachain to tap into the broader ecosystem. This means Phala's services aren't siloed, but accessible to a wide range of blockchain projects. If you're paying attention to the overlap between AI, privacy, and Web3 infrastructure, Phala Network is worth keeping on your radar. It's not flashy, but it's solving problems others don't even talk about. Number 18. NodeOps. NodeOps is one of those sleeper projects that you've probably interacted with indirectly, even if you've never heard of it. If you've been dabbling in DeepIn or running infrastructure for decentralized projects, chances are NodeOps has already been part of the backend powering your experience. At its core, NodeOps simplifies running nodes for various networks by making it approachable for users who aren't developers. No fancy coding knowledge is required, just plug and play through their intuitive graphical interface. It's like upgrading from a manual transmission to an automatic. You're still in control, but without the hassle. What makes NodeOps stand out is how it supports some of the largest projects in DeepIn, from Elixir to Celestia. These projects rely on NodeOps for their infrastructure, and with the growing complexity of DeepIn ecosystems, that's a big deal. Running nodes directly from command lines can get tricky fast. NodeOps steps in with its orchestration layer, called Atlas Network, which essentially acts as a conductor, keeping all the nodes in sync while staying decentralized. This infrastructure helps streamline what could otherwise feel overwhelming. Currently, NodeOps is in its testnet phase, and there's already a rewards program in place. If you're running nodes for any major DeepIn project, using NodeOps could land you some early exposure to their upcoming token airdrop. Free tokens just for testing out their setup? Sounds like an easy win to me. What's really exciting is the potential for NodeOps to become the backbone of DeepIn networks as they scale. By lowering the entry barrier, they're enabling more participants to contribute to network security and operations, which is huge for decentralization. Whether you're running a small setup or managing infrastructure for a larger project, NodeOps is quietly turning into an essential piece of the puzzle in this space. Definitely worth keeping an eye on if you're into DeepIn or decentralized infra. Number 19. Pinlink. Pinlink is one of those projects that might not grab the spotlight immediately, but has a significant impact on decentralized infrastructure narratives. Sitting at the intersection of DeepIn and real-world assets, RWA, Pinlink brings an innovative approach to bridging physical infrastructure with blockchain technology. Here's the kicker. Instead of backing RWA vaults with traditional assets like real estate or gold, Pinlink focuses on the new age backbone of tech, GPUs, mining farms, and data centers. The concept is straightforward yet groundbreaking. Imagine creating yield-bearing vaults on-chain, but instead of relying on conventional commodities, these vaults are backed by the revenue generated from modern infrastructure. Think GPU mining facilities or decentralized data centers spread across the globe. This isn't about pie-in-the-sky promises. It's about tangible infrastructure generating verifiable revenue. The value proposition here lies in how Pinlink turns these physical setups into liquid, on-chain assets. It's not just about tokenizing data centers. It's about offering real-time transparency and earnings to investors, all packaged in a format that makes it easy to access via decentralized finance, DeFi. This kind of setup opens the door for institutions that might otherwise hesitate to dip their toes into the DeepIn ecosystem. What makes Pinlink even more exciting is its potential scalability. As AI adoption grows, so does the demand for infrastructure capable of supporting it. Pinlink isn't just catering to the here and now, it's aligning itself with where the market is headed. With GPUs and data farms becoming increasingly essential, this project could quietly become a backbone of decentralized computing infrastructure. For those exploring the deepened narrative, Pinlink offers a fresh perspective. It's not trying to be flashy or overpromise. It's simply taking a practical approach to solving a growing need. If you're already invested in deepen or infrastructure-focused projects, Pinlink could be one to keep on your radar. Number 20. Humans AI. Humans.ai is carving a niche as a blockchain-powered platform that puts ethics and accountability at the forefront of AI development. This isn't just another AI platform. It's an ecosystem built to align creative freedom with long-term governance. By focusing on synthetic media and integrating blockchain technology, it bridges the gap between innovation and transparency. It allows creators to develop AI-driven assets while maintaining ownership and accountability through tokenized governance. Think of it as a way to keep AI honest without sacrificing its potential to disrupt industries. The platform's creative studio acts as a hub for integrating AI tools, letting users bring their ideas to life in ways that weren't possible before. From generating synthetic voices to building lifelike digital avatars, Humans.ai combines cutting-edge machine learning models with blockchain-based NFTs. These NFTs aren't just collectibles, they're a way to track provenance and guarantee ethical AI usage over time. A standout feature is its token, Heart. With a capped supply of 7.8 billion tokens and a limited number circulating at launch, it introduces a layer of accountability to the AI economy. Heart isn't just a payment method. It's the glue that binds creators, developers, and stakeholders in the ecosystem. The team behind Humans.ai deserves a mention too. With Sabin Dima at the helm, supported by a lineup of blockchain veterans and AI specialists, the project is backed by a wealth of experience. These are people who've been building in the space for years, from launching social platforms to driving early blockchain adoption. This isn't their first rodeo. Humans.ai has positioned itself as more than just a tool for developers. It's a vision for ethical AI creation. Whether you're into blockchain, synthetic media, or just exploring what AI can do next, this project is worth keeping an eye on. To wrap things up, we've covered an incredible lineup of 20 AI-driven crypto projects, each offering something unique, from foundational layer 1s to innovative AI agents, gaming crossovers, and decentralized infrastructure plays. The explosive potential of these altcoins in the 2025 bull run is hard to ignore, especially with AI being one of the strongest narratives driving market momentum. Staying ahead in this space means keeping up with emerging trends in AI and blockchain, so don't miss out on the opportunities unfolding right now. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which AI cryptos are on your radar. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the ever-evolving world of crypto. See you in the next one.